Little boy named Presley found a secret out this year, that he was once a pharaoh when Egyptians ruled the world, and now the sorcerer named Scarab tries to get him day and night. But Presley has 4 guardians to protect his very life.
He has the mummies.
From 1525 BC.
He has the mummies.
Protection from the new Ramses.
He has the mummies.
They're hanging by the Frisco Bay.
We have the mummies.
Protectors of the world today. Come on.
He has the mummies.
From 1525 BC.
He has the mummies.
Protection from the Pharaoh
He
team.
has the mummies.
They're hanging by the Western
He
Gate.
has the mummies.
They're gonna save the world today. The Egyptian way, the mummy's alive.
You said we were going to see a rock. That is an island.
Not a rock, the rock. You know, Alcatraz, the prison. The rock's just what they call it.
Let me get this straight. You want us to go to prison?
Yeah, it's really cool. They locked up Al Capone there and stuff.
Al Capone? I thought it was Alcatraz.
Who's Al Capone?
I still don't understand. Why should we want to go to prison?
Hey, we're tourists. It doesn't have to make sense. Is this the boat to Alcatraz?
Yes, it is. Oh my. Who are you?
We are tourists.
Yeah, tourists. You know, from Egypt.
Well, welcome to our country. I hope you enjoy your visit.
What a nice man.
Gotta get a new job.
I have a bad feeling, my prince. A prison is a bad omen.
Lighten up, Jakal. Alcatraz will be a blast.
I've had my Shepties keeping watch over the city. I knew Prince Rapses would come into the open sooner or later. And now we've found him. On an island with only one way off. For Prince Rapses, there'll be no escape from Alcatraz.
Alcatraz was a maximum security prison for over 40 years. The island gets its name from the old Spanish word for pelican, but inmates referred to Alcatraz as the Rock.
See, I told ya.
You are wise, O Prince.
And this is the prison dining hall. Imagine sitting down to dinner with 100 of the most dangerous men in America.
He's never tried to eat with Armand. Now that's dangerous.
Eat? Now you're talking. Excuse me, are we gonna have lunch?
No, this is just part of the tour. Now, if you'll all just follow this way.
Easy, big fella. I'll find you something.
This next building is the oldest on the rock. It's over 100 years old.
Only 100? I've got dandruff older than that.
Everything you've got is older than that. Hey, where's Armand?
The dining hall!
There's gotta be something to eat here somewhere.
Can we help you find anything?
Yeah, pizza would be great, or maybe something to make a sandwich.
Armand?
Oh, how'd you call? I was hungry.
Armand, they haven't cooked anything in here in over 40 years.
Well, I'll settle for leftovers.
Come, Armand, we must rejoin the other tourists.
You'd think at least they'd have some hard-boiled crocodile eggs.
This passage should take us outside.
Wrong way, Jakal. Check out the signs.
Strange, I thought the exit was this way.
It's easy to get confused. All these halls look alike. Shouldn't we have caught up with the tour by now?
Something is wrong. We followed the signs, but this is not the way out of the building. If we climb that tower, we should be able to get our bearings.
7, 8, 9, 9. We're 5 short. Must have left some folks behind. Ah, 14. That's everybody.
Isn't that our boat?
Hey! They're leaving without us!
Oh,
Wait for us!
Oh, my!
it's a trap!
Very perceptive of you, Jakal. Looks like you're caught between the rock and a hard place.
Prison suits you, Scarab. Maybe you should think of moving in, permanently.
Destroy the mummies!
Should have watched where you're going, Pottery Head.
Is that the best you can do, Scarab?
Want something better? Try this!
Get Prince Rapses to safety.
Jakal!
No, my prince! You heard what Jakal said. We must get you to safety.
No! We've got to help him! Jakal! We'll be back for you!
The prince has escaped.
For now. But if I know Prince Rapses, he'll never leave this island without you. Seize him! Lock him up! There's no shortage of cells.
Oh.
I can't believe you just left him like that. He's your leader. Your friend.
He's been my friend for over 3,000 years. But Jakal knows our first duty is your safety, my prince.
We can't let Scarab get his hands on you.
It's what Jakal wanted, for you to be saved.
But we can't just leave him.
We have to, my prince. We must protect you above all else. Even if that means losing Jakal. Come, we must find a way to get the prince off this island.
Sorry to have to put you in solitary confinement, but you won't be here for long.
Don't expect any last-minute calls from the governor, either.
with the strength of Ra. I'm too weak.
Lost too many Shaptis taking Jakal. We need reinforcements to capture Prince Rapses and the others.
Where do we get them? Rent a thug?
No, not thugs. There must be enough restless spirits in this place to catch 100 mummies. And their puny prince. Imprisoned spirits, I set you free. Come forth! Iron bars cannot hold your evil. By my powers, you are unleashed. Come forth and obey my will.
Are you sure about this, boss? All these crooks. Are you sure you can control them?
Control me, the greatest criminal mind in 35 centuries.
So, what'd you spring us for?
I've got a little job for you to do.
Whoa, wait a minute here. What makes you the boss? You're just some wise guy with a gold worm.
Yeah, a gold worm.
That's gold serpent to you, Bob.
What makes me boss?
So, boss, you want us to rub somebody out for you?
Not so much rub out as unravel.
Well, it isn't much, but it's a way off the island.
Let's get it into the water and get Prince Rapses to safety. Not so fast, Pally. The boss wants me and the boys to take this Rapses guy for a little ride.
I don't think this was part of the tour.
With the strength of Ra!
Get 'em, boys! In here!
Look out! This way!
Through here!
Armand, help us!
No arm on the door.
Hey, who's doing this? You or me? That ought to slow him down.
Not for long.
My prince.
Jakal! Hang on, Jakal. We'll bust you out of there.
No, my prince. There isn't time.
I won't go without you, Jakal. They can't make me. I'm the Pharaoh.
This time we're not leaving without you, Jakal.
Hey, you can't argue with a pharaoh.
Looks like we've been overruled, Jakal. Hurry, Nefertina!
Like they say on the magic box, We're busting out of this joint!
Quiet, Armand. The guards.
Hang on, Jackal! Oh, good thing we landed on something soft.
Good to have you back, Jakal.
Quickly, run!
Fools! They're getting away! After them!
You hoid the boys. Quick, in here!
They're gaining on us!
We'll stop them. Get to the boat! There. That ought to cool them off.
What do you guys do back there?
My magic must have reacted with the spell that brought these ghouls to life. They've combined into the evil spirit of this island.
Now he figures that out.
No one escapes from Alcatraz.
Come on, start!
I thought you said no one ever escapes.
They don't, you overgrown stickpin. I should have summoned you in the first place. Destroy them all! Except Prince Raps's. He's mine.
Can't we go any faster?
Hey, this scow isn't exactly the Annihilator.
If only I had the strength to fly.
There might be a way. It could be dangerous.
And this isn't?
Take hold of your amulet, my prince. Now, grasp Jakal's amulet with your other hand.
With the strength of Ra!
Wow! How'd I do that?
Your spirit is strong, my prince. It did live on for over 3,000 years. I just hope it's enough.
He's leading it away! Go, Jakal! call a tour.
It was a nice place to visit, but I wouldn't want to live there.
A little boy named Presley found a secret out this year that he was once a pharaoh when Egyptians ruled the world, and now some sorcerer named Scarab tries to get him day and night. But Presley has 4 guardians to protect his very life.
He has the mummies.
From 1525 BC.
He has the mummies.
Protection for the new Ramses.
He has the mummies.
They're hanging by the Frisco Bay.
He has the mummies.
Protectors of the world today. Go.
He has the mummies.
From 1525 BC.
He has the mummies.
Protection for the pharaoh
He
team.
has the mummies.
They're hanging by the Western
He
Gate.
has the mummies.
They're gonna save the world today. The Egyptian way, the